Happy holidays, everyone. My name is Aladdin Connolly. I'm an accountant in Massachusetts, and I'm really excited to share with you the eFileBuddy automated 1099 filing system for accountants. Simply go to eFileBuddy.com and click Start Free. Now you can either enter an email or password or sign up with Google. And we hit Submit. And we enter our firm information, superstar accountant, top admin. Let's go to eFileBuddy. Tells us that we've got 15 free credits because we got the early bird membership, and let's go to our dashboard. Now we're going to want to go ahead and invite a client. This is where the platform shines. You can either add the client yourself, which is sort of the way most platforms do it, where you enter all the client information and hit continue, or you can invite the client to a platform. We enter the client's name and email. So we enter the client's name and email. We can enter any additional info we want. In this case, I'm going to enter their EIN because best client does not know their own EIN. We hit continue. We send the invite email. And now they've been invited. We can see them right here under Best Client. We can see that they haven't yet logged in themselves. It's pending. We've sent them one reminder. We can send them additional ones if we want. Let's go look at their email. And eFileBuddy sent them an invite. It gives them a password to log in. Let's copy that password and log in. Enter the client's info. As you can see, the EIN is already pre-filled because we had entered that ourselves. All the rest still needs to be entered by the client. And in they go. They're in their dashboard. They can write notes to you if they'd like. You are the best accountant in the world, and over here you get to see whatever they wrote, and you can also write them notes and vice versa. So, time to add a contractor. And it popped into their ready to file because all of their information's in the system, all of that particular contractor's information is in the system. Let's look at how the accountant views it. We've got information that our client has entered a contractor and everything seems ready to roll, but they have not yet approved it. So the accountant can click Remind Client to approve for filing, or the accountant can approve it manually. Let's go back as the client and submit it for filing. And here we have in the accountants column, it is now ready to file. We can also see it in their dashboard on the ready to file. Now, if there was a multiple 1099s, he could file each individually if for some reason he wanted to wait on something, or he can click File All for this payer client. And that will go through the filing process, but right now the IRS has turned off electronic filing until January 6th of 2023. So that's a little intro to our eFileBuddy platform, and we're very excited to have you on board and get you going with your 2022 1099s starting January 2023, although you're welcome to add as much data before filing as you'd like and be ready to hit send anytime you want. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.